How to change the color on the blank clip on YT Create application. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm going to show you how you can change the color on YT Create application while adding the blank clip. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let us start it. Open the YT Create application. Now you have to tap on the plus icon to add the blank clip, and you can see the blank clip at the very first. Now you can easily change the color of the blank project.